my name's Annette, welcome back to Cottoverdi, and today 12 of Vlogmas. It is pouring with rain outside, the skies are black, we're probably going to have a thunderstorm any minute. I'm sorry if you can hear the rain on the skylights above me, hopefully you can't hear it too much. Anyway, we're inside because of the weather, and today I thought I'd make a twig Christmas tree. It's a wall hanging and it's just using foraged items from the garden. It is really simple, and if you're short of space and don't have space for a Christmas tree, then this is a really useful idea because you could make it quite big if you wanted to and take up a wall with it, but it wouldn't stick out very far, and you can make it as colourful or glittery as you like. Mine's probably going to be more on the sort of natural Scandi style because that's what I like. I've gathered some sticks, branches over there. Some of them still have bits of greenery and pine cone on them. I've got some holly for decoration. I've got some dried oranges and bleached pine cones for decoration. In fact, all of these things are for decoration. So I've got some sprigs, I've got a branch of eucalyptus and some fresh moss over there. And then I've got over here, I've got some string to tie the branches together, bells for decoration, and some beads that I might use. And then I've got some tools, so I've got my secateurs, loppers and some scissors. So these are just things that I've chosen to decorate my tree with, but you could use glass baubles or anything that you fancy really. It's a kind of, you know, do it in your own style. So I'm going to show you how to make the tree and then we'll decorate it. I then need to sort of measure how tall I want it to be, and I'm going to double it because we have to wind round each stick, and then I need to do both sides. I make my string twice as tall as the tree. I do not want to run out of twine, but it won't be the end of the world if we do. We can just tie some more on, but I'd rather not. So there are two different ways to do this bit. We can either cut individual pieces to tie each one together and be super accurate and measure everything, or we can do it freestyle, which is what I'm going to do. So I found the middle part of my twine. I'm leaving extra at the top. In fact, I think I'm going to tie a knot there so that there's a definite top like that. Now, of course, we can leave the tree just like this, and it doesn't need to be decorated at all. I think it looks gorgeous and natural. It's got a couple of bits of greenery on it, but I want to decorate my tree. I want to hang some things from it and put a little bit of moss on there maybe, and some holly berries. and maybe some bells. So I'm going to just have some fun decorating my tree, and then afterwards I will decide whether I'm going to light it or not. The pine cones I'm using today are pine cones that I bleached in previous years, and also the orange slices are orange slices that I dried myself earlier this year in my oven, and I will make a video about how to bleach pine cones and how to dry orange slices. If you're interested in how to do that, maybe I'll put that up tomorrow. So those, if you're wondering why my pine cones kind of look whiter, it is because I've bleached them. I just think it helps them to stand out a bit, and also it gives everything sort of more of a sort of Scandi Christmas vibe, and I like that. It for today. My Christmas tree is finished and hanging up. I hope you liked it. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it something fun to do maybe on a rainy day. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow.